Hey y'all, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something really fun. I'm going to be sharing with y'all the 2025 Fall FabFitFun box. I have so many goodies in here. This is their fall box. FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription. You get 6 products per season from top brands across fashion, beauty, lifestyle, home, skincare, and more. There's tons to choose from. You get to choose your products and you get to customize it based on what you like. You're bound to find things that you will love and that you will definitely want to get. There are 2 ways to sign up. You can sign up for the seasonal subscription where you're billed every 3 months. For the seasonal membership, it's $79.99 per quarter, or you can sign up for the annual subscription where you're billed annually. The annual membership is $259.96, and then there's also going to be a little bit of a discount if you do the yearly subscription, which you get a really good deal on it because these products are full-size products. What you pay is far less than what the actual box is worth. So for this season, they're offering 2 different promotions. One for 20% off when you sign up as a seasonal member, and one that gets you a $200 free gift when you sign up as an annual member. So I'm going to share my codes with y'all so y'all can save on this amazing deal. For 20% off seasonal, my code is KAYLA20, and I'll also include the link in my description box down below so y'all can get this deal. And then my second code is for the annual subscription. For the $200 free gift is KAYLAGIFT, and I'm also going to have the link for that as well, and then I'm also going to have it on the screen here so you know what to type in when you go to sign up. With the fall boxes, there is a 7th free gift, so you guys make sure you go ahead and sign up so you can get the 7th free gift and get this amazing box. If for instance you want to skip a box, you can just skip the box and then you'll have the credit on your account so you can use it towards something else on their site. This is definitely my favorite subscription box out there. I want to say thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me for this video, and let me show you what I got. So one of the items that I got is this Rare Beauty. This is called Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. It smells so good. I love Rare Beauty. I use their makeup a lot, but I don't have any of their body products, so I really wanted to try this. It smells really good and it's definitely really hydrating as well. And I love the packaging. I think this bottle is really like chic. It's beautiful. Okay, the next item that I got is this Bloom Greens and Superfood, and the flavor I got is strawberry kiwi. I actually have never tried Bloom before. I've seen Bloom everywhere. I feel like everybody's tried Bloom, but I still haven't tried it. It's good for digestion, bloating, and energy, which who doesn't need all those help with these things? So it has fruits, veggies, pre and probiotics, digestive enzymes, and more. So many great things, and if y'all don't already know, I'm like on my health and wellness journey. I have lost already about 70 pounds, and I still have a good amount to go. This is going to be something good to add to my daily routine, and I'm just looking on here, and the total carbohydrates is 4 grams, so it's not a lot of carbs. If you're doing like a low carb, if you're eating like a low carb type of lifestyle, this would be good for it. Yeah, and even if you're not, there's so many good benefits for this. Another thing that I chose are these Amika hair products. I got these 2. It's a shampoo and conditioner set. It's the Forget Frizz Anti-Frizz Conditioner and Anti-Frizz Shampoo. Let me smell this. This smells really good. I've only heard good things about this brand, so I'm excited to try these products. Another product I got is, it's another hair care product. This is by Serum. This is their Deep Hydration Repair Cream. It's a guava leave-in conditioner. Let me smell this one. Smells really good. I'll definitely do an update on this as well, and I'm gonna leave the prices on the bottom of the screen, so how much each product would have actually been if you would have bought it individually, so you'll see how much you would actually save by getting this subscription. Next, I have seen this all over social media. This is a hair identifier spray. It's a white spray that you spray on your face, and then it comes with the little razors, so you can see all the hair, and you can just, these are like the little dermaplane facial razors, and then you just spray it all over your face and then use the little razors to shave it. Another item that I got, this is by Glow Recipe. This is their Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. And this is it. This is going to be good because I do have some dark spots on my face that I want to lighten, try to get a more even skin tone. So I'm hoping this helps with that. And lastly is this gorgeous bag. It's huge. There's so much space in here. I feel like it definitely gives like fall/winter vibes. It's so pretty and it's so big, and it's going to be able to hold so many things. Yes, this is definitely a good quality bag, and I'm so excited to use it and fill it up. I feel like it definitely will go with everything. Like, this box has so many amazing things in it, and I'm really excited for y'all to try it out. And y'all make sure y'all use my code or click my links in my description box down below so y'all can check out FabFitFun and get on there and see all of the fun stuff they have to offer. And I'm sure you'll find many things that you like and you'll be excited to try. Fall's right around the corner, so it's a perfect time to sign up for their fall box and see what they have to offer. There's so many different things in there, so many different things for everybody. Like, I love that FabFitFun partners with so many well-known brands. There's going to be a lot of brands that you already know and love on there, which is amazing. So you'll get to try different products from brands you already know, love, and trust, which is great. Make sure y'all check my description box down below so you can get the links to either the seasonal or the annual membership. And if y'all like this video and if y'all are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. So I think I might do anything for you if you just let